I swear I knew to use my voice for good. Speak of a mindset that everyone should just be myself and knew everyone would. I know that they would relate to a common man, but what I become is uncommon, man. Most lie about my kind of accomplishments, but I can't lie to y'all, I want more than this. I'm Thanos with that gauntlet, powers infinite. Just be happy that the kid ain't been abusing it. I'm a hero or a villain, I still can't decide. Feel like every single thought I've been switching sides. Power, drunk off the power, I think it's clouding my vision. Power, drunk off the power, look at the voice I've been given. Power, drunk off the power. Stop popping bottles of that, stop tripping on tracks. Let's celebrate for the night, let's celebrate where we at. This means cementing my place, this mean with no time to waste. Singing too much, I forgot I could rap. Gossip too much, I forgot where I'm at. Knew the levels, knew I had to level up. Phone book looking like my playlist was. What a change, what a journey, what a time. What's the hurry, must have heard he's so damn far from in his prime. Some days I'm a hero, some nights I'm the villain. Some days I'm here trying to make a change. Some days I'm here trying to make a killing. Some days I'm out for the top, some days I'm waiting to drop. Some days I'm happy with what I got, some days overwhelming to know I'm not. Odds looking like the universe against me. If we talking problems, knowing I got plenty, but I got the power.